Hi guys, today I am going to teach you about how to add a shopping cart plugin. I also tried many shopping cart plugin but does not works, but I today show you how to install and it's finally working. Okay, my English is very bad, don't mistake me. Okay, I will say what are the procedures. First go to plugin and add new. I already downloaded the plugin called, just a second, I will show you that. C colon no amp download templates. Equida shopping cart plugin. If you don't have this plugin, you cannot able to add new if you go to see here, suppose if you go to add new and search for the plugin, it will not be, it will be not there. If it is also there, it's not working. Okay, so that you better go to equid.com and download this plugin. I will show you that how to download it. Go to equid.com and search for that plugin called equid.com, or better you search Equid plugin for WordPress. See, there is a lot of plugins. You go search there and get there. If you do not get there, come to my website called www.bookexchanges.com and visit there. Visit there and give your contact information. Post it with a new sign up letter. I will mail you. Otherwise, you come to my website. I will upload it today. Okay. See here, Equid plugin, Equid shopping cart 1.0. You go to equid.com. See, .com is called Equid, ECWID.com. See, I will widen it. See, Equid. See here, equid.com. Okay, you go there and just download the plugin and go to your WordPress backend. In backend, you go to plugin and add new. Don't for the search plugin. If you install also it will not properly work. You go to equid.com and download it and upload via your FTP. See, I am uploading. See, I kept in a WAMP folder. You can keep anywhere else. I am just keeping in my WAMP folder because I am collecting all the plugins, so that this Equid plugin is working. eShop minicart plugin is not working properly. Okay, go to Equid and open it and install now. It will take some time to load because it has all configuration files, so that it will take some time. Just wait for a minute. If you have any doubts in uploading your websites, how to create a shopping cart website in Joomla, PHP, you better come to my website bookexchanges.com and give a query, give your queries. I will mail you what are the things you need. I will do everything freely. You don't worry anything else. See here, first host name and bookexchanges.com, your website name, your username, login username, WordPress login username and the password. Sorry, not that. Your control panel. See, my name is bookexchanges.com. No, that control panel name is bookexchanges and that password. Give that password. Give us FTP. Don't give it as FTPS. If you have SSL, give it as FTTPS. Otherwise, give FTTP. Better give FTTP. See, give your password and give proceed. because the plugin install is failed because I already have that plugin. After installing that, activate this plugin here because I already activated, so it is showing error me because I am reactivating again, so this is showing me error. If first time if you're doing it, you will ask activate plugin, you activate and go and search for where is that plugin. See here in settings, Ecwid shopping cart plugin. Click there. You want to fill this details. If you need it, you fill it. If you fill these details, it will be helpful for you. Something the back end process, something the mail want to comes, so the things will be helpful. After that, you go to pages, create a new page. Called cart. Just keep it cart. Go here. Some messages you give just for now to publish. Go to your front end. It will take some time. It's taking them some because it want to load everything. Now see, cart. See here that is cart scale. I don't know what is taking some time because I have on recent connection also. Oh, it is torrent is on. Okay, right. See, it's now the cart is came. Now what you want to do now? Go to ecwid.my.ecwid.com. Go to your sign in. You can sign in with, see, either you can sign in using ecwid.com, otherwise your Facebook. I am using my Facebook. Okay, you use a Facebook, username, password, and sign in. It's signed in. After signing in, go to your dashboard here. Your dashboard. Copy this code. Copy this code. This is product. Okay. Copy this code. Go to your, you created one page, you know, cart, you called cart one page. Go there and paste here. This is product page. After the product page, you copy now. Go there. Go to ecwid.com. Your control panel, dashboard. Now copy the back code. See here, it is back now. Back code. Copy this and come to your backend cart page and paste as a top. First bag, then category, then product. Cart, see here, I'll write here. First bag, first copy the bag code. Then just wait a second. I will say again. Now again you want to go there, copy this category code. Don't confuse it, I will say properly. Now paste category and then product code. Because your purpose I am writing here bag code, category code, the slide. You don't write the slide. You don't write it. For your understanding I am pressing here. See here, bag code. Next category code, go to your control panel, dashboard, and copy one by one, and the order must be in this order, then only it will be displayed in the front end. First bag, category and product code. Now update it. Before updating, remove this command line, because for your purpose I am wrote. Now I am removing this codes. Update it. Just a second. Oh yeah. See now there is no anything is not there, because you not paste the code. Now you have paste the code. Now see the changes. See now loading it. See now shopping cart is working. Because I am maintaining a chick category, fruit and vegetables. See, chick, I changed as a rupees. In the dollar I have changed as a rupees. See, if add into the bag, it will be added. See here, add more. See, it's adding. See here, 102, 103, 103, and continue shopping. It's working. I already checked those. Here everything is working fine. If you want to see here, go to your shopping bag and see it. See, the product is added. I have because I am from India, so that I add rupees. For whatever the country zones, you can add those. Suppose if you don't understand anything what I am doing here, go to equid.com. Just wait, I log out this equid.com. The front end. See your demo, no? Not this. Just I am logging again, equid.com. See your video tutorial. In Equid, still now what I said is not understandable to you, go to your video tutorial in equid.com, down, and play it here. See here.
This video will show you how to add a web store to your site using Equid. As you can see, I already have Equid at my site, which is www.equid.com. So I'll try to add it to this site.
See here, in the equid.com, in the video tutorial here, there will be a clear definition. Suppose some guys, they think what I am saying is not understandable, then go there and see there it, and you can do whatever you know. Okay, thanks. Please subscribe via my www.bookexchanges.com. If you have any doubt in WordPress, Joomla, PHP, in everything in PHP open source, you contact me. I will help you. Sure. Thanks for watching this video.